Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex market analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today I'll be focusing on the pound to the Japanese yen. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just want to go through the news items that could affect the pound yen, the pair I'm reviewing today. So let's just look at the news items for the week. Later today, 11:45 PM, these are New South Wales time. For the US, Financial Services PMI, and at 12 midnight, ISM Services PMI. Getting into evening on Wednesday, 7 PM for the pound, monetary policy report hearings. Then into Thursday. Now, this isn't for the pound, but for the Eurozone, we do have the interest rate decision and policy statement, 10:15 PM, 10:45 PM. That could affect the pound side, potentially depending on what goes on. Then 10:30 PM for the US unemployment claims. 11:10 PM US Fed Chair Powell speaks. Then moving into Friday, I don't really see anything there. I've got a couple of speeches from members from the Fed in the early morning of Saturday. Alright, so those are the items that could affect the pound yen, so just be aware of those. So let's move along into the charts. Alright traders, let's have a look at the pound yen monthly chart. Now, long term we're in an uptrend, higher bottom, higher top. Over the last 2 months we've just been pulling back, and I'm just anticipating that we could well be getting ready to move up to challenge 168.72, and then potentially we could obviously move above that level. Alright, so trend on the monthly is up. We've just been having a bit of a pullback over the last 2 months. Alright, let's move it down to the weekly chart and have a look. Alright traders, on the weekly chart we're in rather a consolidation period here, but notably we're holding on weekly support. I've already drawn them in. So weekly support, there's 3 levels here, and weekly support's at 160.38, 159.98 and 159.44. These 3 levels in this area here, and weekly resistance is up here at 166.33. And what I'm anticipating is that price is potentially holding on this area of weekly support, the first level here at 160.38, and what I'm anticipating is that we're going to be moving up to challenge first target at 166.33 weekly resistance, and then potentially moving up to challenge monthly resistance at 168.72. Alright, so those are my 2 targets that I'm looking at if this base of support here is going to hold. What I'm also noticing, if I get my fib tool drawn in here, from this bottom here all the way up to that final top up there, is this base of support that's been forming over the last 2 months is all sitting on the 62% retracement level at 160.60. So I'm anticipating that we're going to get support there and move up and challenge these levels of resistance. Weekly resistance at 166.33 and monthly resistance at 168.72. And potentially, if we do get a strong breakout longer term, we could be moving up to the 127 extension at the top here. Alright, let's just drop down to the daily chart. Alright traders, onto the daily chart again. This time frame's in consolidation. I've just put in my daily support, 160.80. Daily resistance at 162.68. And it's getting rather tight here, and what I'm anticipating is that we will get a breakout to the upside. So if we can break above 162.68 first of all, that will confirm the new uptrend. And then what I'm going to be looking for is, can price then pull back to 162.68? That becomes a base of support for then a further move up to start to take out these highs and move up. And first target for the move up would be 166.33, as I said before, weekly resistance, and the longer term target up at monthly resistance 168.72. So at the moment, weekly charts and day charts, they're all in consolidation, but it's just starting to show its hand maybe. MACD on the day chart here is starting to turn up. This is getting very tight, getting support at weekly support, and I'm anticipating a breakout above daily resistance 162.68 for then a move up the range. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 7th of September, Duncan will review the market structure and the trading patterns that's set up during the previous month. He will cover the 79% fib retracement, head and shoulders, double top, double bottom, and range trade patterns. Let hindsight trading become your foresight as you progress on your trading journey. 8th of September, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.